Hello my friends! In this video we're going to learn a variation on a triangle fold. I'm going to make my triangle fold into a little basket of flowers, but you are free to take these ideas and create something of your own. The main idea is that we're going to use the triangle fold as a structure, and then we will create some other elements out of other pieces of paper and attach them in to make a pop-up image that's a little bit more complex. So let's get started. We'll start off the way that we've made a triangle fold before. Take two pieces of paper that are the same size, fold each of them in half, and put one to the side. Then place the other paper so the fold edge is on your left, and fold the top corner down to make a large triangle. This time, fold back the triangle and draw the top half of a heart shape from the folded edge to the triangle fold. Cut along the line that you just drew, making sure that you stop when you get to the crease. Now flip your paper over and place it like a tent. You can use your fingers to support the page while you push down the little heart shape that you've created. And when you feel like you have it in the right position, you can close your card. When it's closed, it should look something like this. Now you have a sort of heart-shaped triangle pop-up. And what we're going to start to do is develop the skills of adding extra pieces that are glued into our pop-up cards. So today, like I said, I'm going to make a little basket of flowers, but you can take this in another direction if you have your own idea. I'll fast forward through this part, but what I want you to see is that I'm using cut papers, I'm coloring and collaging to make something that feels really fun and interesting. Once you made all your elements, then it's time to glue them into the triangle fold. Try not to glue anything onto the crease of your triangle fold or it'll get in the way of its ability to open and close. You can add some decorations and take it from there. When I made mine, I realized that when I closed my card, some of my flowers were sticking out the side. So I decided to unglue them and just place them a little bit lower down inside my basket. Okay, artists, I'm super excited to see what direction you decide to take this project in. This one starts to build up our skills into something a little bit more complicated. So be patient with yourself and have fun. And I can't wait to see what you come up with.